In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change table border color in PowerPoint quickly and easily. This is a simple formatting trick, but it can make a huge difference when you want your slides to look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read. Whether you're customizing a report, a business presentation, or a class project, changing table border colors helps your content stand out and match the rest of your design. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and click inside the table you want to edit. This is important because PowerPoint needs to recognize the table before the table formatting tools appear. Once you click inside the table, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen. You should now see the Table Design tab. Click on that tab to open the table styling options. From here, find the pen color option. This is the setting that controls what color your table borders will become. Click pen color and then choose the color you want from the palette. You can pick a standard color, a theme color, or a custom shade depending on the look you want for your slide. After selecting the color, the next step is to decide where that border color should apply. Click the Borders option and you'll see several choices. If you want the color to appear around the outside of the entire table, select Outside Borders. If you want the color to apply to every single line in the table, choose All Borders. And if you only want the inner dividing lines to change, select Inside Borders. This gives you full control over the look of the table and lets you format it exactly how you want. Once you click the option you need, PowerPoint will instantly apply the new border color to the selected area. You can repeat the same process if you want to use different border colors for different parts of the table. For example, you might use one color for the outer border and another for the inside lines to create a more polished design, and that's it. Your table border color has been changed in PowerPoint. It only takes a few clicks, but it can really improve the visual impact of your presentation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.